It's a decision that would affect many who are homeless. The fate of Portland's daytime camping ban will be heard in a courtroom tomorrow.
And that is when a judge could potentially decide whether to temporarily block that ban from going into effect. That comes after a lawsuit representing people who are homeless. Brandon Thompson goes beyond the headlines now. And Brandon, you found service providers are already being impacted by the camping ban.
They have. The enforcement of the camping ban will not happen until Monday, pending this court ruling. But shelters like Rosehaven tell me they have already been at capacity since it was passed by City Council. They say that people have been coming to them afraid that they're going to lose their belongings with few places to go during the day. The crisis of people who have become homeless have hit Rosehaven hard.
We've kind of turned into first responders, but that's really not what our mission is. We're a community center.
Tuesday, the day shelter for women and children served a record 175 people. Starkey believes Portland's announcement of the camping ban and its pending enforcement are part of the reason why.
As soon as they announced the camping ban, they didn't really have to enforce it. Word is on the streets and people are scared. So we are dealing with increased escalation, just really severe mental health needs because folks are afraid that their stuff is going to be thrown away.
Enforcement is slated to begin on Monday, though a lawsuit from the Oregon Law Center representing people who are homeless in the city aims to stop that. A judge will hear arguments whether or not to temporarily block the ordinance from going into effect tomorrow. The Oregon Law Center claims the city's ordinance passed in June is, quote, impossible to understand with any clarity. In its legal response to the suit, city attorneys claim the ordinance is objectively reasonable according to state law and that the city has provided an online map where camping is allowed. The city and Multnomah County have allocated more than $3 million from the supportive housing tax so people can store their belongings during the day. But Starkey says there are not enough of those places for everyone who is homeless in the city. Plus, she says it's not easy for service providers to expand, especially Rosehaven, which tripled its capacity in 2022.
We need more temporary shelter, we need more wraparound services, but we certainly need more daytime services if it is not legal to be in one place.
So the hearing tomorrow will be at 8 a.m. In the city's response, it says the lawsuit paints the ban as more restrictive and more broad than it actually is. Starkey says that the city waiting until November when the cold and wet weather is on its way is inhumane to start enforcement. Live in downtown Portland, Brandon Thompson, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, no doubt. This is a big issue affecting so many people. Brandon, thank you.